How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any upcoming episodes we got coming out. Today, I want to talk to you guys. This isn't a paid promotion by any means. If I find a cool product I really like for my Jeep or anything like that, I will come on here and promote it. I don't ask for any payment from any of the companies because I figure, hey, if this is a cool product, why can't everybody have it? So today, we're talking battery cables. Let's get started. Today's video, I want to talk to you guys about Jeep cables. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is just a good product that I figure, you know what, I like it, it's good stuff, and why can't I share it with you guys? So if you want, I'm going to tell you one more time, it's jeepcables.com. Like I said, it's not a paid sponsorship, so I'm not going to put any kind of links or anything like that, so just make sure you check them out. They don't just have Jeep stuff, they have Toyota stuff now, which is pretty cool. So all you Toyota guys out there, you can make sure you get yourself a set of nice set of cables for your ride. So the topic of today's video, like I said, is battery cables. It's just kind of one of those things that I feel is kind of underappreciated when you're working on your car, especially with the Jeeps. They tend to have a really slow start, which pulls a lot of amperage down. Also charging issues, no starting issues, battery draining, battery not charging, alternator frying, battery's not lasting very long, alternator's not lasting very long, all that stuff. You can contribute most of that to the cables alone. What I did, I found their website. I got the Big 7 kit, which came in a 4-gauge wire. You can pick a 4-gauge or a 0-gauge. I went with the 4, keep it kind of factory, and everything I've had seems to work fine. I did have a few problems with my Jeep when I first got it, where the power cables, they were corroded. I tried cleaning them, and it just never kept the charging system up to where it needed to be. And I did have a real slow, sluggish kind of start to it. Like I said, the Jeeps, when you start them up, they do rotate a few times before they go. And if you have crappy cables, that's going to make it worse. Also, depending on how corroded they are, you could risk running a fire by overheating the wires. And so the kit that I got was $100. They are made in the USA. They're cut perfectly to length. They've got nice, solid, crimped on connections on the end. So let me quit talking about it. Let me take you over and show you what I'm talking about. So like I was saying, I went ahead and got mine in the 4-gauge cable. It's the closest thing to like a factory size cables you're going to get. Like I said, they do have a 0-gauge. If you're running multiple batteries and high powered winches, which the winch comes with its own cables, so I'm not sure if that would really matter to you, or like stereo systems or anything like that, you might want to try getting the larger cables. But the size 4, it's a perfect size. And all these, like I said, these are all cut to perfect length. I had to do no trimming, no nothing. These things went in perfectly. And as you can see, every cable is labeled where it needs to go. So you got cables all over here. So what it comes with, you've got the battery to engine ground. You got the battery to the body ground. It also comes with the ground back here that goes down from the back of the cylinder head up to the back wall. Then you've also got the battery to the PCM to a brand new 50 amp fuse breaker, which I mounted this one up here. It's nice and high, and from what I've seen a lot of people doing online is they mount them here because it's the perfect spot. It's not in the way. And if you get any kind of water from deep creek crossings, it's probably not going to get up here. It comes with nice weather-tight boots on it. This one here, this is your power wire that runs down to your starter. Way down in there. I don't know if you can see it. That's somewhere down there. And then it also comes with the wire that goes from the battery to the back of the alternator down in there. Like I said, this is a super nice kit. There's no trimming. They've actually taken the time to measure each wire out perfectly. No trimming, no cutting, everything fit perfect. It even comes with brand new terminal blocks, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. Super high quality. Like I said, these cables are made in the USA. Everything fit perfect. It replaces all the old factory wires. This isn't something you're going to find at, AutoZone, O'Reilly, or any of your local car parts places. You're going to go in there, you're going to get this completely universal kit that just isn't going to work right. It's probably going to have some extra wires dangling off the side of it. Also, I did find out they do make this stuff now for all the Toyotas. They have them for the Tacomas and the 4Runners. So you Toyota guys, make sure you check them out. JeepCables.com. It's really good stuff. I haven't had any charging issues since I put this kit in. It's not slow to start anymore either. So when you turn the key, cranks really good, fires right up, no problems. This is a kit that you guys really need to check out. Like I said, it's called the Big 7 kit. I got it in the 4 gauge and it was only $100. If you get the size 0 gauge, it does cost a little bit more, but it's totally worth it. So if you have any problems with your Jeep electrical wise, this is a kit that I highly recommend. It took probably about a half hour, 40 minutes to put all in, just because I took the time, pulled everything out of the way, and then mounting the new distribution block. Just trying to find a spot for it, and I figured this is probably the best spot for it. There's one thing I did have to do, you can kind of see here. I did have to trim a little bit of this cover because I wanted to keep the cover on there. So that was nothing, just took a little body saw to it, just cut out right here and here, and then put this right back on to keep everything nice and covered. So, like I said, if you have any problems electrically with your Jeeps, with your Toyotas, anything like that, this is a kit you definitely want to get your hands on, because you're not going to find something of this quality, perfect cut to fit, at any local parts store. So I know this wasn't much of a long video, but I just wanted to get it out there because I know a lot of you guys are in the garages working, and I've been reading some of the comments, and I've had a few people reach out to me about, what kind of other problems they're having with their Jeeps. I'm on a lot of the Facebook groups, and I have seen these issues come up, so I figured I'd get on out here and make a little video for you guys. I hope you like it. Like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, give a thumbs up. Let's help this channel keep on growing. We're kicking, you know what? I won't use any kind of foul language because I'm trying to hold back on that. But you know the deal. Smash the subscribe button. Let all your friends know this is out here. I'm going to keep trying to do videos like this. Like I said, if I have some kind of a part that I put on this thing that I'm really happy with, I will make a video, because why not? It's just a way to say, hey, this is working good on my Jeep or my vehicles or anything like that. So why not share it with all you guys and get everybody on the right path on fixing their stuff up really nice. So that's going to do it for this video. You guys take it easy. Let's get out there, have a good week. Get the week in here and we'll get out in the garages. I know the weather's going to turn around. I'm sure everybody down there in Texas is probably getting excited. Get a little warmth back down there. Get your power back on. I hope you guys are all doing okay. And that's going to do it. So we'll see you next time. If you're not new and you've been here for a while,